I replaced the batteries and it still say low battery.
What specific appliance or part are you working with?
Lux thermostat.
Do you know the model of your Lux thermostat? How old is it?
TX500 UC/P521 UC.
How long has this been going on with your Lux thermostat? What have you tried so far?
About a week.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Me, ma'am.
Hello. I just got home from work, read your post, and I might be able to help. With your Luxair thermostat, if you have tried to replace the batteries with good new batteries and it still reads low, then there's an internal error in the thermostat circuit board that cannot be repaired. The solution at this point is to replace the thermostat. If you plan on replacing the thermostat itself, make sure to turn off supply power to the furnace. If you need help choosing or wiring the new thermostat, let me know and I can help with that too. Hopefully, the information I provided helped or pointed you in the right direction with your initial question.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.